for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. Without the validation of a colonized nation who is in need of a purification. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I am old enough to know what I want and still young enough to get it, proven time after time among history of feminine concealment. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not to twerk or flirt when I wear a crown with birthright perks. Like the ancient of time, clockwork, I am future artwork. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not to lie, steal or kill to get a meal, because I have woman's wisdom skills. No need for addiction to pills or social and moral frills. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not to be born twice when Mother Divine made me in the beginning precise. Which religion nor gender confusion is a natural and spiritual woman's diffusion. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not to wish for anything when the divine provides me freely everything. Earth, wind, fire, and water will rule among the final judgment hour of Mother's nature devouring power over heart's attempt to claim fame will be defamed. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not to defile my lips with words of filth. When my lips speaks, words giving and sustaining life, as a lasting kiss, desired twice. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need no degrees or PhDs from the false education of my enemies, when I know I am fearfully and wonderfully made in a divine epitome goddess way. The strategic wisdom is stored in the woman's head. She will slay that legacy of the adversary from the ancient of days. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not to tolerate the attitude of boys in a man's body when I am a king's hobby. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need no so-called friends to pretend when I got the divine to carry me and see me through thick and thin. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not to limit my friends based on the color of their skin, when the true relationship is with the soul and spirit within. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not to conform to the wisdom of this world, when the divine has gifted me with divine knowledge, understanding, and wisdom more valuable than gold, diamonds, and pearls. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I do know where I will stand during the enemy's corruption plans. I will be hidden in our everlasting parents' protective mighty hands. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not a military power or cavalry might to fight my battles, when the divine before me, who in the right mind will be against me, in the hour of the divine spirit's army. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. I need not to be sexually flexed with the same sex, when the divine laws of gender will expose the pretenders. For the divine creatress gave us the perfect match of the opposite sex that naturally accommodates and procreates. The divine remnant elect. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy. Therefore, I need not to ponder over religious heaven or hell, when I've come to the conclusion my divine birthright spirituality serves me well. No matter the end of the trail, I will prevail with this breath of the veil. What is for me is for we, a divine destiny and a purified legacy is